Jeez. Can you tell mommy what you're doing? Keep going. Keep your socks on too. Mommy will be mad. What's that? Huh? Wow. Wow. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All gone. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where are you going? Huh? What's that? Aiden, what's that? Is it a box? Aiden, can you say box? Can you say box? No. Don't do it. Aiden, where are you going? Can you say box? That's right. Good job. Are you all done? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Say I love you, Mommy. Ooh, what was that? Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you? Aiden, you say bye-bye, Mommy? Aiden, say ciao. Say ciao. You don't want to say anything, you just want to play with your box. Can I get a kiss? Mwah! Mwah! Bye-bye.